Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of e-commerce and learn how one young entrepreneur, Biaheza, made his fortune through dropshipping and if it is real or fake. For those who don't know, dropshipping is a business model where an online store sells products from a supplier, most likely AliExpress, but the supplier handles the shipping and fulfillment of the orders. It's a low risk and low cost way to get started in e-commerce, and this is exactly how Biaheza built his successful business. So let's get started and find out how Biaheza made his money through dropshipping. Before we dive into Biaheza's dropshipping journey, let's take a look at his background. Biaheza is a young, self-taught entrepreneur who started making $100K plus per month at the age of 18. He had a passion for e-commerce and saw dropshipping as a way to turn that passion into a profitable business. He first started his online money-making journey flipping Instagram accounts. He would grow an account to a high amount of followers, then would sell promotions or sell the account for lots of profit. He had asked someone running promotions on his store where he gets the products from, and that's when he was told about dropshipping. Biaheza then started marketing his own products on his Instagram theme pages and started to make sales. One of the key components of Biaheza's success was his ability to identify a target, a specific niche in the market. He found a gap in the market for a certain type of product and built his store around that niche. By focusing on a specific niche, Biaheza was able to differentiate his store from the competition and build a loyal customer base. This was also a crucial part to his success, and he would have theme pages in the home niche, and then he would market products related to the home niche to his followers and make sales without having any marketing costs for Facebook ads or, now the most popular, TikTok ads. Biaheza knew that building a strong brand was crucial to his success. He invested time and resources into creating a professional looking website and branded social media accounts. He also worked on building a strong customer experience by offering excellent customer service and high quality product. He knew that having a store that makes sales for years is better than having a store which makes sales for the first month and then none the month after. He would then position his website to appear as the main seller of the product, which made his customers think that his website was the only place that you could get the product. Once Biaheza had his store and brand set up, it was time to start driving traffic and sales. He used a variety of marketing and advertising tactics to drive traffic to his store, including social media advertising, influencer marketing, and email marketing. He also used data from analytics to track his performance and his target market, and optimize his ad campaigns once he has moved off from marketing on his own theme pages. As Biaheza's business grew, he realized that he needed to scale his operations to keep up with demand. He hired a team of virtual assistants to help with tasks like customer service and order fulfillment, and he also invested in tools and software to automate and streamline the process. Biaheza now has a YouTube channel where he covers other ways to make money, including setting up an automated YouTube channel and doing various side hustles to make money. He also does sell a dropshipping course, which has been revised in order to account for TikTok ads. This is how Biaheza made his fortune through dropshipping. It's not an easy journey, but with hard work, dedication, and focus on building a strong brand, it's definitely possible to achieve success in the world of ecom and dropshipping. Although his methods may be outdated, ecom is here to stay and isn't going anywhere.